the refugee crisis was escalating, and for the Greeks, not only in the islands but also in Athens.
I'm standing here on top of the City Plaza Hotel here in the heart of Athens. We're joining a group of activists who are occupying this hotel today. They're 18 days in to the occupation, where they're offering a myriad of services for refugees, predominantly from Syria and Afghanistan. It's interesting because a lot of the public spaces that have been occupied by refugees are kind of like park squares or dilapidated buildings. But here you're finding a hotel.
Εγώ προσωπικά ήμουν από τους αλληλέγγυους οι οποίοι βρεθήκαμε εδώ πέρα πριν περίπου 18 μέρες, 22 Απριλίου, και επί της ουσίας αξιοποιήσαμε ένα εγκαταλειμμένο ξενοδοχείο στο χώρο της Αθήνας, στο κέντρο της πόλης, με σκοπό να διαμορφώσουμε έναν χώρο φιλοξενίας, αλληλεγγύης και αυτοοργάνωσης.
Greece is very nice, and the people here are very friendly, and they help us a lot. But we don't want to stay here. We want to go to Germany because all my family there.
For me, if you ask me, I want to come back to Syria.
Yeah, everyone does.
Even if there are wars, especially Aleppo, but I prefer to go back to Syria.